adjoint A by modulus A generally. So in not capital A. So in MATLAB just type INV of A. You will get the answer. Not only 2 by 2, any square matrix will give the result in MATLAB. 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5 like that. So next, transpose operation. So in MATLAB, transpose, what is mean by transpose? So transpose nothing but interchanging rows into columns, columns into rows. So transpose in MATLAB, transpose is interchanging rows into columns, and columns into rows. So transpose in MATLAB, generally transpose is interchanging rows into columns, columns into rows. So here A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 I given. So that means A is equals to 1, 2 is the first row, 3, 4 is the second row. So what is the output of, what is the answer for transpose? So transpose A transpose is equals to interchanging the rows into columns and columns into rows. So that means 1, 2 is the first row, that become first column now, and 3, 4 becomes second row, 3, 4 becomes second column now. So in MATLAB, the transpose is a single quote operator. So just a single quote operator. In MATLAB, a single quote operator is a transpose. You just try, you open your MATLAB software. So first define a matrix. A is equals to square brackets 1 space 2 semicolon 3 space 4 A transpose, single quote operator. So interchanging the rows into columns, columns into rows. So transpose is a single quote operator. So how to calculate a determinant of a matrix? So in MATLAB, determinant, suppose this A is 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is a square matrix, so determinant you can do it. The modulus A is, so AD minus BC, so 4 minus 6. You will get minus 2. So if you go higher order, I mean it is 2 by 2. So if you go higher square matrix, that is 4 by 4, 5 by 5. So it is difficult to calculate the determinant also. So in MATLAB, just you can calculate, just first define a matrix, then type DET parenthesis matrix. Just type DET, enter, you will get the answer. So for 2 by 2 matrix, it is easy to do that. We can do by hand also. But if you go higher, so if you go higher order, that is 4 by 4, 5 by 5. So it takes time to calculate the determinant. So in MATLAB, DET of A, whatever the A square matrix, A should be square matrix. So it will give the answer. So how to calculate, you are already MTech holder, so Eigen values, how to calculate, you know that. So matrix, if you know if you have a matrix, how to calculate the Eigen values for the matrix. So in MATLAB, just type EIG. EIG of A, you will get the Eigen values. You just try it. EIG of A, the values will come minus now A I given, A I defined 1, 2, 3, 4. The A matrix I define 1, 2, 3, 4. Eigen of the values A is minus 0.3723, 5.3723 I am getting. So Eigen values. So how this is, suppose how to define a only row matrix. That means which have only elements, row elements only one row. So how to define a row matrix? So A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the row matrix. So this is 1 row and 4 column. So just type in the MATLAB A is equals to square brackets open and 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4. So this is a row matrix. So how to define a column matrix? A is equals to, there are two ways you can write a column matrix. So row matrix you define already, row matrix is defined, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and transpose you operate. You give the transpose. So transpose is gives interchanging rows into columns. Rows into columns. Here only one row. So all the rows will give columns. 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4. I am giving transpose operator. So B is equals to column matrix. So that means A is equals to, if you type 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have doubt, you just write it in the chat box. Are you following? Okay, fine. So how to define row matrix is 1 cross 4, that means only one row and 4 columns. So column matrix, there are two ways. First you define a row matrix and give transpose. So then we'll give the answer is this one, the answer of for this one I am writing this one as B, since it is a different from here. So B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 transpose. So the answer is B 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a column matrix. What is the dimension of this one? 4 cross 1. 4 rows, 1 column. This is R. We can define the column matrix in one more way. B is equals to 1 semicolon, 2 semicolon. Semicolon means the end of the row. Semicolon indicates the end of the row. So 1 semicolon, 2 semicolon, 3 semicolon, 4 semicolon. So bracket close it. So this is also a column matrix. One semicolon, 2 semicolon, 3 semicolon, 4 semicolon. So this is also a column matrix. So Arjun, here power gone.